will show you how to use the gym equipment. During exercise, posture is really important. Make sure your spine and your neck are in line, your core is always engaged in every single exercise, and your knees and toes are straight over each other if you're sitting down in a 90 degrees angle.